Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel? There is no time like the present to start, and in this video, I'm gonna share my thoughts on why. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels are the leading social media platforms for video consumption. YouTube is more popular than ever and has grown more popular when people were forced to work at home and found entertainment, things to learn in the midst of a time when the world was upside down. YouTube has opened the door to more niches for an audience that wasn't discovered before. With more people watching, there is more opportunities. If you are wanting to help and serve people with a particular subject or topic, support a business, drive sales, or even share an experience, the key reason to start now is to share your knowledge, experience, and expertise. Even if it is just videos to share with friends and family, share videos for work, or even just to take the leap and post videos that are meant for entertainment, education, or just to share your opinion on a topic. It gets you started to record, you learn to edit, and understand how to upload a video for the world to see. If you're looking to be a part-time content creator or thinking about eventually taking YouTube full-time to replace your 9 to 5 and work from home, your first step is to start. YouTube can be lucrative, and using YouTube to elevate an existing business can help your business grow. This is a perfect time with a larger audience to find you, view, and establish yourself sooner and quicker. You are probably watching this video right now for one or all the reasons I mentioned. Sometimes you're watching a video and you think, I can do that, I should start a YouTube channel. And that is exactly what happened to me. And I'm going to tell you, yes, you can. One of the things from people that start a YouTube channel, even myself, is wishing they started sooner. Your first video you upload will be your worst video. Here's a small clip from my very first video I posted on this channel.
Working from home, we're now presenting online. Presenting online is kind of a new norm in the workplace. And you probably still spend a few hours to prepare, except we have half the time to present online. So instead of 30 to 60 minutes, we really only have 15 to 30 minutes to present depending on the content.
As you can see, the lighting is off, I'm speaking a little too slow, and didn't have my rhythm that I have now, which is better suited for my audience. Every video you upload will be better, even if it's a little bit better. Like any skill to get good, the simple equation is volume multiplied by time. The more you do it over a period of a long period of time, you're going to improve to the point people will notice. No matter the reason, if you are compelled to start a YouTube channel and you have something meaningful to share, help, and serve, start now. And don't think the topics you upload today is topics you have to continue to talk about forever. My channel, The Elevate Project, has been live from the time of this recording for almost 16 months and already have shifted my focus about 3 different times. And that is not necessarily the best strategy. Follow my journey on YouTube to see what I mean. Watch my past videos and my videos today to see what I am talking about. My focus right now is to help people like you wanting to start YouTube, and I want to be a part of your journey and get you through the basics of being a content creator. I want to share my roadblocks, my strategies to push through to help you get to your first 100 subscribers, first 1,000 subscribers, and beyond. Once you start getting your flow and you decide you like being a content creator on YouTube, you can start defining your niche. I think just starting now will help you feel more comfortable with the content creation process, from content ideas, scenes, setup, equipment, and the platform itself. Today, it's even easier to start because you don't need the fancy equipment. The phone in your pocket is a better video camera than the cameras that were used from YouTubers 5 years ago. All you need is just to find a quiet place in your home with some natural light and your key subject or topic, your knowledge, experience, and expertise. If you're looking for confirmation to start YouTube, I'm on your side, and for whatever it's worth, I confirm. Take out your camera, your phone, anything that can record video and audio, and just start. If you found value in this video, you know what to do. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.